Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play rank in CS2. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you actually want to do is open up CS2, and once you have it, it should look like this. Now at the top in the middle, you should be able to see this option that says play, and we're just going to go ahead and click on that. So once you click on that, we'll be taken to this tab called Premier, and this is actually the rank game mode. So here we can see the leaderboard on the right hand side with all the players at the very top. It will show us our recent wins down here. We can also see our party here, and then a bit of details about the players. So in order to play, you just want to click this go down here, and from here it will begin searching for a game. Now once I actually found the server and players, all you have to do is join that, and then from there you can begin playing rank in CS2. So that's how you can play rank in CS2. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.